Today, I will be unboxing a Lan Lan cube, and it is, in fact, the 4x4x4. Let's get a better look at this. So, I got this from Amazon, and I'm pretty excited to get into it. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. That is moving very smoothly. I have to say, I'm very impressed. That is very nice. I don't think I've ever come across one this nice before. Look at it. Now listen to that. I know it doesn't sound good, but that's moving very well. I like this. Okay. Now let's see. This is actually my first 4x4. So let's see what the inside is like. There we go. That's kind of cool. Look at that. Well, I must say, I didn't expect it to be this good. I mean, don't get me wrong, I expected that it would be good, but this is really good, I have to say. I've been kind of iffy about ordering things from Amazon, but this time around, it was real, This time around, it was really good. Alright. Well, this will make a fine addition to my Rubik's Cube collection. Oh my goodness, that is really nice. So far, I have the 3x3, the 5x5, and now the 4x4. And so, I hope that in the future, I will be able to get a 2x2 and a 6x6, and maybe a 1x1. Well, 1x1 would be great. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and of course, have a great day.